Welcome, animation fans! Today I'm diving into the mesmerizing world of Scarlet Fantasy, an AI-generated short film that fuses surrealism and Baroque styles into one mesmerizing frame. Picture this, a world where floating clocks melt into lavish Baroque architecture, where grandiose chandeliers swing over dreamlike landscapes. Scarlet Fantasy begins with an ethereal sunrise, casting golden light on a surrealist cityscape. Imagine Dali and Caravaggio collaborating on a canvas, where time bends and reality dances. As the camera sweeps through twisted alleyways and Baroque palaces, you're drawn into the intricate details, every frame a masterpiece. The protagonist, a lone wanderer cloaked in scarlet, embarks on an otherworldly journey. With every step, the line between dream and reality blurs. You see floating islands adorned with regal statues and staircases leading nowhere, evoking a sense of awe and wonder. But it's not just about the visuals. The film's ambient orchestral score pulls you deeper into the surreal experience. You'll feel every note resonate, enhancing the emotional depth of the journey. In one moment, our scarlet-cloaked hero finds themselves in a Baroque ballroom, where dancers move in slow, deliberate motions, their reflections twisting in mirrored walls. The next, they're navigating a maze of floating books and melting clocks, each symbolizing fleeting time and eternal beauty. The climax is a breathtaking fusion of chaos and order, a grand surreal banquet where reality completely unravels. Colors and forms blend, creating a visual symphony that feels both ancient and futuristic. Scarlet Fantasy is more than just an animated film. It's an artistic journey that challenges your perception of reality. If you're ready to be captivated by a world where Baroque elegance meets surrealist magic, this is a must-watch. So hit that play button and let Scarlet Fantasy transport you to a realm beyond imagination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible content.